getting dumb, fucking with a crumb. Ex bitched up a crumb on me, wow. I ain't never really into talking down. Like, is you serious?
YouTube, it's Therealjaepooh back at it again with another video. Yes, it's dark in here and I do not care. So today I'm going to be, well actually today is the day before, it's 2 days before the concert. Today is motherfreaking Sunday. The motherfreaking 29th? Yes, the 29th. So I'm going to get my lashes done today. I'm really just prepping for tomorrow. And yeah, but I'm going to get my lashes done today. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to get my lashes done today. Then I'm going to pack my bag because, yeah. And then I need to clean up this room, clean my brushes. Just irritating because I don't feel like doing none of it. I kind of made a little TikTok. Look at my eyes. I actually broke this and I didn't even feel when I broke it. But this is so sweet. Like, she really did that. I'm gonna show y'all again in the light. But yeah, I was just checking in with y'all the day before, let y'all know I'm so excited to go to the Raw Wave concert. Like, I'm acting funny. I really can't even comprehend myself with this one lash on. I just wanted to open up the video today to let y'all know how I look today. And I actually been slacking a lot on my pictures. Like, I have not been dropping no type of pictures on the gram lately. Like, I used to be every week, but now I've just been chilling. But yeah, I've been really unmotivated lately, but now I'm getting back to it. So that was the old me, this is the new me. I'm in a different bag. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get back. So you're gonna get me copyrighted. So I just got my lashes done. Yeah, it's very much red. It matches the fit. Y'all gonna see. I don't want to. Actually, I'm gonna tell y'all. So I got this fit. Somebody over here bitter because I told them to turn the music off so I wouldn't get copyrighted. But anyways, I got this fit from Grwm. Look at my nails. I don't even get this length. All right, peace out, y'all. I'll hit y'all back tomorrow. What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Anyway, so we just went and got Jack's. I got me some mac and cheese. I'm about to taste it on camera while I'm on here. Hold on, let me get. All right, let's try this mac and cheese from Jack's. See how y'all get. See, I'm not one of them. Let me hold this a little closer. I'm not one of them soul food type of people. I don't really eat soul food. I'm more of a crab leg and chicken wing. My favorite food over everything. My lace is really laid, but it looks like it's coming up right here. This is really nice. I'm irritated because the rain just, like, look outside. Just did what it was not supposed to do. But anyways, yeah, we finally made it check to the hotel. Last time, usually when I use Expedia, like, all my freaking hotels, like, they, like, I don't know what they do. They, like, forget that I reserved the room and, like, do whatever they want to do. but this time they didn't. What's up, y'all? I'm back at it again. Oh, what up,
You know what I hate?
So today, y'all can't really see my outfit,
The media
but
feel like they know me like
you can see, I'll post the pictures. But
what's going on in my relationship.
today freaking Broadway gonna cancel the concert. You gonna cancel the concert? Yeah, so you canceled the concert, and I'm kind of annoyed about that.
So invested in how
But
I
it's
feel.
okay, I guess.
Huh?
They'll let me get a refund, so I'm not even tripping. But I forgot I need to brush my teeth before I started this video, so I'm irritated about that or whatever, but not really, because at the end of the day, I still have another concert that I'm going to, so I'm not really tripping. I have my makeup set up right here. Wow! Am I giving like influencer or not? Why am I smiling so hard? Anyways, yeah, but right now we're about to go to this little brunch spot out here in Tuscaloosa. I don't really know nothing about Tuscaloosa. I literally had to TikTok. I look so fat. Yeah, I don't really know nothing about Tuscaloosa. I had to literally, what's it called? I had to freaking TikTok it. Sorry, I don't like when people look at my face. That's like one of my biggest insecurities. Anyways, but yeah, we're about to go to brunch, and I'm excited about that. But yeah, that's all I have to say, honestly. Just want to make the best of our time while we're out here. My mom was all like, come back home. I'm like, bruh, what would be the point in that? I look so fat when I just stand like that. I think I low-key might like start doing arm workouts, because this is giving granny. And I need this. Like, what the freak? It's kind of taking a long time, and I'm not really wearing this outfit there. I'm just to take a picture of it. Anyways, but this is the finished look. Yeah. Okay, so this is the finished results. I wish it was like a little bit bigger, but it's fine. I'm actually feeling it. Like, what? Get y'all some flexi rides. Okay, I'm excited. Like, calm down, sis. So let me go take my pictures, and then we are gonna go to brunch, and I'm gonna change my outfit. just got done taking my freaking pictures. So we made it to the Mugshots bar and grill. I'm just gonna eat here because we was gonna eat at this dinner place, this brunch spot, but it's closes at 2, and I'm not about to rush to eat, and it's already 1:30. So yeah, but he's going to the trunk to give me a jacket because I'm not messing up these girls. Yesterday I looked a hot mess. Give it to me, please. Thank you. But I'll see y'all when I get in there because one thing about me, I'm not playing with my hair. So bye. Here's my hair. Just got A1 sauce and all this other stuff. Just waiting on my mac.